Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the classification of bacteria, right? So when we talk about the classification of bacteria, there are different mode where we can classify the bacteria. So let's start classification of bacteria. Under this I have written the different mode of classification. Let us try to understand one by one. First one is the based on the shape, right? What is the shape? What is the particular what do you call structure of the particular bacteria? Accordingly we are going to classify. The first one is the cocci, C-O-C-C-I. Cocci means unicellular spherical round shaped bacteria. It is going to have the cocci. So under this there are so many round shaped bacteria. For example, monococcus, right? Mono means one single, right? You can see here one single round shape. Diplococcus, diplo means two round shaped bacteria, they will be joining together. Streptococcus, it will be chain shaped, right? You can see how so many round shaped bacteria, they are forming a chain. Then tetracoccus, tetra means four, 1 2 3 4 bacteria will be joining together like this, in this way, okay? Then staphylococcus means it will be the bunch of grapes, how the grapes bunch will be there in that way. Then sarcina, it will be like ribbon like structure, right? Coming to the second category based on the shape, bacilli, B-A-C-I-L-L-I, bacilli means single bacilli. It is nothing but rod shaped bacteria. You can see here single bacilli, one rod shaped bacteria. Streptobacilli, there will be the chain formation, but it will be rod shaped bacteria chain, okay? Then diplobacilli, two rod shaped bacteria will be joining together. Then third category under the based on the shape, vibrio, it will be curve like structure of the particular bacteria. Then spirilla, it will be again ribbon like, will be having so many flagella here or like that, okay? So these are the different shape of the bacteria where we can classify. Second mode of classification is based on the nutrition, right? So again we can classify categorize the based on the nutrition four types. Then phototropes means they are going to gain the energy from light, sunlight or some light, okay? From there they can have their energy and metabolism and all those things. Coming to the second category under nutrition, chemotropes, they are going to get the energy from chemical compound. Autotropes, sole source, auto means some, by their own they are going to make the food, or they are going to gain the energy. CO2 they are going to use, CO2, carbon dioxide, okay? Then heterotropes means organic compounds they are going to consume, and they will be depending on others like human pathogenic bacteria comes under this category. Third mode of classification is based on the temperature, right? So here again four types we can, 4 or 5 types we can have, right? First one is the Sacrophiles means 0 degree centigrade. Whatever the bacteria can grow at 0 degree centigrade temperature, those comes under the Sacrophiles. They may 0 to 15 degree also, it is the optimum for them, right? Coming to the second category, Cyclotropes, it means 20 to 30 degree centigrade, which bacteria they can grow better in the 20 to 30 degree centigrade temperature, they are called Cyclotropes. Mesophiles means 25 to 40 degree centigrade they required. Thermophiles means above 45, it's a good very huge temperature, right? Then hyperthermophile, hyper means extreme, above 80 degree, right? Above 80 degree also there are so many bacteria they will grow, okay? So these are the things. Coming to the fourth one, based on the oxygen requirement, right? So here obligate aerobes, right? Obligate aerobes means they required oxygen to survive. Without oxygen they will die. Then second one, facultative anaerobes, can use but can grow, right? If it is available they can use the oxygen. If it is not available they are not going to die, they will be alive, they will able to survive. That's what obligate anaerobes means, no oxygen required, they don't want oxygen. Without oxygen they are going to survive, right? Then based on the pH, the next one is based on the pH. So whatever the pH it is there, acid, base and neutral, accordingly we are classifying the bacteria also. Acidophiles, name indicating grow best at an acidic pH, yes. Then alkaliphiles means alkaline pH they required to survive. Then neutrophiles, neutral pH they are going to grow. Coming to the next one, based on the osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure means again we can divide into the C category. Halophiles means moderate to large salt concentration. Osmosis means we know that salt concentration, the movement of solute from the higher concentration to lower concentration, that is called same, right? So in that way, what is the concentration of salt, accordingly we are going to divide it. So minimum, medium to large in halophiles. Coming to the extreme or obligate halophiles means, as the name indicates, extreme means very high salt concentration they require to survive. Coming to the third one, facultative halophiles means don't require high salt concentration, minimum salt concentration also they are going to survive. Next mode of classification is based on the flagella. What is the number of flagella, how they are going to have in their body or in microbial cells, sorry, okay? So first one is the atricus. Atricus means no flagella, whereas monotricus means one flagellum. Then Lophotrichos means bunch of flagella it is going to have, like just like a spirilla, bunch of flagella at one corner, right? Then Amphitrichos means both the end it is going to have the flagella. You can see here I have made the structure this side also and that side also. Then Peritrichos means surrounding all the body microbial cell, it is having all the area it is going to have the flagella. Okay, then next one and the last one, based on the spore formation, spore forming bacteria also it is available. So it is divided in two category: endospore forming bacteria and exospore forming bacteria. Endospore forming bacteria means spore within the cell they are going to form, and exo means spore outside of the cell they are going to form, right? So these are the different mode of classification which you can summarize in one page, or you can be able to remember at exam point of view. Thank you.